Ever feel like your money's doing a magic disappearing act? You know you get paid, but somehow, your bank account looks like a magician just pulled a rabbit out of a hat, except the rabbit is your paycheck, and it's vanished. We've all been there. That's why so many budgeting apps are out there promising to be the financial superhero we all crave. But with so many options, it's hard to know where to start. Today, we're diving deep into one app, PocketGuard. Is PocketGuard the key to finally controlling your finances? Let's crack open this app and see if it's free to financial freedom or if there's a hidden catch. Free with benefits, but not all-encompassing. Here's the headline: yes, PocketGuard has a free tier. But before you download it and expect budgeting nirvana, let's explore what that free tier actually gets you. The free version offers some pretty cool features. You can track your spending automatically, which is a game changer for understanding where your money goes. No more wondering why your bank account is crying. PocketGuard will categorize your transactions and show you exactly where your cash is flowing. On top of that, PocketGuard on the free plan can help you identify subscriptions you might have forgotten about. We've all signed up for that free trial that somehow morphed into a monthly drain on our wallets. PocketGuard hunts down those sneaky subscriptions so you can cancel them with a tap. Plus, the free tier throws in bill tracking and alerts. No more scrambling to avoid late fees. PocketGuard will remind you when your bills are due. But wait, there's more, for a price. So, the free version sounds pretty good, right? Well, it is. But here's the thing: PocketGuard, like many budgeting apps, operates on a freemium model. That means the free features are like appetizers, they give you a taste, but the real feast is behind a paywall. The premium version of PocketGuard unlocks some powerful tools. One of the biggest is finding ways to save money on your bills. PocketGuard can negotiate your bills for you, potentially saving you hundreds on things like cable and internet. Another premium perk? PocketGuard can analyze your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. It's like having a tiny financial advisor in your pocket, constantly nudging you towards smarter spending habits. On top of that, the paid plan unlocks features like setting custom savings goals and tracking your progress. Plus, you get fancy reports that break down your spending in even more detail. Free versus paid, picking your PocketGuard path. Alright, so now you know the deal. PocketGuard offers a free tier with some solid features, but the real magic happens with the premium plan. Here's the question: is the upgrade worth it? The answer, like most things in life, depends on your financial situation and goals. If you're just starting with budgeting and want to get a feel for tracking your spending, the free tier is a great place to begin. You can see how PocketGuard works and decide if it fits your budgeting style. But if you're serious about taking control of your finances, the premium features can be a game changer. Saving money on bills, getting personalized spending insights, and having a roadmap to your financial goals, those are powerful tools that can make a real difference. The bottom line: free can be freeing, but premium packs a punch. PocketGuard's free tier is a valuable tool, especially for beginners. But if you're ready to dive deeper into your finances and unlock real savings potential, the premium plan offers some compelling features. Ultimately, the choice is yours. But with PocketGuard, whether you go free or premium, you're taking a step towards a healthier financial future. So, what do you think? Is PocketGuard the budgeting app you've been searching for? Let us know in the comments below what features are most important to you in a budgeting app. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more personal finance hacks and app reviews. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.